Ayo B, what up A? What we want them to say. Woo! Say you love me, then put it in a love song. Put it in a love song. Say you need me, then write it in a letter form. Oh, oh, oh. Say you want me, then text me on a cell phone. Text me on my cell phone. Say you love me,
Oh, Danny Alves! Oh my god, yes! Woo! Oh my god. Yes, he's gonna be so expensive. Oh my days.
Falcao! Falcao! No! I got Falcao! Oh my god! I got 90 Falcao, what the fuck? Oh my god. And I got Treatius, what? No! Oh my god. And Kirikes, the Tottenham centre back with 82 pace. Yeah, right, let's open this bad boy up and who do we get? Alright, no way. No way. No! Not on my first pack. Oh my god! Oh my god, Higuain on my first proper pack! Yes! 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 Oh my god, thank you so much, EA! I love you. Oh my god, how much does he go for? I need to know. Higuain!
We get hopefully someone decent. Come on. And oh, we get company. I've got company. Shit. Fuck. I've got company in the pack. This is one of my first packs ever. I got company. Shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Company. I got fucking company. Oh shit. This is the best starter pack ever. Oh my god. Oh fuck. Yes.
Next pack. Right, last pack, come on. Thiago Silva! Ah! Fuck off! I just get Thiago Silva! Ah! Yes! Oh!
Ayo B, what up A? What we want them to say. Woo!